Welcome everyone. I know it's very late right now, but don't worry, I'll be quick. Okay. So just a quick update lang kasi Bitcoin is at the point of like, you know, possibly correcting. But then again, uh market is at the point of like having that one more wave to the upside. I'll show you. Okay, everyone. So for those who are in YouTube, please comment down below. Okay? How are you guys doing? Kamusta yung mga trades? So we have Cloud and YouTube right now. Okay, good evening, good evening. Welcome. Yes, for those who are in YouTube, welcome guys. Just comment down below if you guys have any questions, okay? So let's start assessing our Bitcoin for now, which is very important. So let's try to open our daily, okay? So let's just have a step back lang muna sa Bitcoin because I was literally like watching this earlier or like, assessing it. If you guys can see, we have a very clear like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave cycle around this area. So that right there makes up our first wave. Then right here we have the second wave. Now, if you think about it, this one looks like 3, 4, and then looking like a 5. But we have to, I was double checking it like this, that this high right here has a potential to be a 3. And it makes sense. It's more than one, It's more than one. First wave is the shortest of this wave. And at the same time, that makes this area 4. Right? Because if you'll see, guys, we have that rule of alternation sa Elliott wave, right? So right, this area, the consolidation lasted like how much? 102 days. And dito, it lasted like 26 days lang. So, really do fit in sa criteria. So what this one makes then miss, okay? At the same time, it was hitting the 2.618 of Bitcoin. So at this point, we can conclude that this formation looks like a complete wave cycle of fifth wave. And at the same time, we cannot rule this as a flag, right? So if you see, let me try to do this. Yeah. Does this looks like a flag? Possibly, but as a flag, it has a lot of wicks to the downside. It's not like a clean flag if you want to really talk about, like a pattern of a flag. So this is more of like a complicated, complicated correction pattern. It doesn't even fall under E anymore, but like, on the triple wave combo pattern like this. Yeah, which is very rare, but it's no, it's very it can happen. So with that said, we got the completion of the fifth wave. What does it mean, diba? So this means that this one just completed the first cycle or the first wave cycle of Bitcoin, and at the same time, this structure that we're seeing in here is just the second wave. And I'm just gonna plot randomly muna dito yung third, fourth, but I'm just showing you guys that there's a potential. There's 100% potential that we're gonna go more higher to the upside compared to our projected na 120. So let me try to show you this in a super cycle. No. This one is good only, and let me just like change the color. Let me take this one out. Make sense, everyone? Yeah, any question, please let me know in the comment section right now. I'm welcoming any questions, Sige. So, where were we? Oh, okay. So we have people in YouTube right now. Yes, Julio, good evening, good evening, good evening. Juan Paulo, yes, hello, Jed, welcome. Juan Paulo Solana po, thoughts nyo Solana is just gonna make higher high and higher high. That's what I'm saying. But If you want to invest with Solana, I don't think it's the time right now. Market is due for a correction. I'll show you later. Sige? So, EU, hi ma'am, good evening. Ate, tao possible correction price. Sige, maya maya. Alright? So, where were we? Okay, so with that said, with Bitcoin, now you guys literally just saw the possible movement of Bitcoin, and this one is not gonna happen that fast. Yeah, so far we just broke the all-time high. If we zoom in around this area now, dito, I'll highlight it. So, Miss, what is this area now? Diba? So, this area is just a part of the tree. Now, if you guys can observe, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the same way as the third is gonna have. It's gonna have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cycle to the upside. So, yan guys, since you guys understood na, yeah, I'll show you on the lower time frame how this one is looking like. Diba? So, if we can see, you know, very clear breakout of ano tayo dito, of the correction, right? From the trend line all the way to the correction, it's a very clear breakout. Now, if we can see right now, right? This one is just a simple ano, it's just a simple one right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 coming up to the upside. So, let me show you dito. Let me remove this ano na lang. This green. Okay, you guys spot it. So, in this area, we have a 1, 2. Okay, can you guys see that? 3, 4, 5. I am eyeballing the 5 right now. So I'll just show you very quickly. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, D, E. Now, right around this area is just a quick 1, 2. And this area right now is just the third wave to the upside of Bitcoin. That is why I'm saying earlier that there's a possibility that we're going to hit the 98,000 of Bitcoin. We're going to have a last push. I'm not balling the 100 yet. Okay, but Bitcoin might be due for a correction. I'm not talking dump, just a simple correction. So simple correction, roughly like 20%. Okay, 20%, 24%, roughly around that area. So, you know, when Bitcoin will do that, obviously I have to take out the alt position that we have right now, which is running. We're up like how much right now? Let's double check. Okay, so if you guys can see right there, we're up like 1,500 so far on our running trades. And this is in Telegram, So this is in Telegram, $1,500 trades, profits tayo, running profits. So I'm actually thinking to close some positions, you know, which I will double check now. So guys, stay tuned for those who are holding the trade, because I might close some positions. Anyways, they're looking, if you guys can see, we're hitting 48%, 44%, 43%, right? So dito din, 89%. And I'm talking percentage as we are just doing what? We're doing just we're just doing like 7x, 5x, 5x, 5x. We're not doing 20x in here. That small move lang, easy like 100%. So you guys can see how much move of our price na. For example, our entry price right here is 5. Diba? I told everyone, to be honest, in here, both in my Discord and Telegram, to buy this coin at 5, near 5 and below that, which it did went below of 5. Now the price is 5.7. This coin was hitting 6 point above earlier today. 6 point above. So this one was actually hitting more than 100% return. I was hitting like almost like $1,000 profit earlier. But you know, I was still gauging the market. And then right around this area naman, if you guys can see, right? 0.036, 0.04. It looks so small, miss, it looks so small, yeah? But that's a 50% move for you guys. Yeah, can you guys see? That's a 50% move. 49 right there, oh. So this is our trades in Telegram. So if you guys want to have access on Telegram, I really do recommend you to message me in Instagram. You guys can take a screenshot right now, okay, and message me after the live, or you can message me right now, but I can only reply on you after the live. So okay? So just take a screenshot right now. Okay? Ito lang. I only have one account po. Okay? So yeah. So with that said, can you guys spot on? Liquidation price is 0.0000000. We do not have liquidation price po in our trades. And yes, I do teach this sa Telegram. My guide po on how to perform this. And as much as possible, parang ano na, spoon feed na din kasi I also sometimes put how to do based on account. Yeah. So um so I guess that this guy is from our Telegram. Render call pa lang ROI na. Yeah? Return of investment na. And we have like 12 trades. 12 position kami, oh, 12. 12 positions po kami in Telegram. So, now, heading back to our, to our Bitcoin. So, as I was saying that, fourth, right? Fourth, is now currently forming. So on that note, this area right now, if we'll see, it's just a simple A, B, C. We are lucky if it's just an A, B, C right now, and hopefully it won't do like a flat type of correction wherein the B will be higher than the previous high. That's gonna be very confusing, to be honest. It's quite hard to trade, especially pag wala ka, if you don't have experience yet in the market. It's gonna be very confusing for you. And this is the area wherein people calls this area. Are you guys familiar? Any familiar, term with that? Don't worry, I'll teach you now so you guys will be, bull trap. And that is very real. We're like, oh, Bitcoin is now going up, going. Okay, let me try to enter a long position trade with it now and aim for like 100,000. And then suddenly, can you guys see this? See? Then it goes down. It happens. So hopefully it won't happen like that. And so far naman, we are we are running a nice, looking ascending triangle dito. So I'm expecting that this ascending triangle is gonna continue. So when we talk about triangles, guys, triangles is 90% of the time, okay, 5 waves yan. So right now we cannot clearly see if this is the E now, but earlier when we were, discussing Bitcoin, this candle was approaching, diba? That the trend line kanina that I was showing you, it was approaching. Now we just got the bounce. It was at 89, now it's currently sitting at 90. Okay? So let's see if Bitcoin, it's Monday today, if Bitcoin will have a push to the upside, last push po. I'm talking last push to the fifth. Ito po yung fifth natin. Okay? So, fifth, let me try to gauge muna guys sa possible take profit dito. This one is not even a 2. It was very quick to catch, and no wonder. If you'll see, the push to the upside is very high. So, right here, this is the correction. Sobrang late ng correction. Can you guys see the, let me clear this up, ha? So you guys will clearly see the rejection. Where does the rejection sits? It's against the 1.618. And that just confirms the third wave for me. Now, if the fifth wave will push through now, it's gonna hit like roughly like I said, 98. Okay, it might hit to the hit of 100. And 100 is like not it's a psychological number now. any whole number is a psychological number. If you guys can observe, oh, we hit 90. What happened? We're rejecting, right? So at 100, which we were waiting for how many years in Bitcoin, and if we hit that, it's gonna have some reaction. So on that note, then Bitcoin might perform the correction that I was telling you, a possible 20% drop. Okay, right now I'm not gonna say the exact number unless and until we do the high and here, then I can tell you guys. Okay, the exact possible correction that we can expect. But so far, Bitcoin, yun lang. Let me try to open the lower time frame so we can set our alerts, diba? So I would like to be alerted if we do pass the 90,800, and this is the current low that we did. Yeah, this is the current low. If we bounce right now, because right now, if you guys can see dito, we just literally like broke the control to the upside, and if this continues, obviously it's gonna go up. So I'm gonna hold on to this as our dalawa. We have two alerts now. I'm gonna look, for Bitcoin. Okay, now let's open the trades that I might close for the day. Okay, listen up everyone na. Yeah? So again guys, welcome for those yung mga bagong pasok sa TikTok. Welcome everyone. And for those who are in YouTube as well, hello everyone yung mga nasa YouTube. Okay, so Francis, is this a good time to buy Bitcoin? Francis, the good time to buy Bitcoin was when it was below 40, 50, 60. That was the time. Even at the low, let's say 26. I was selling at 26, but then obviously it was at the very bottom. Not everyone were listening, right? But if you'll ask me if this is a good time to buy Bitcoin, I don't know, bro. So it's very literally hitting 100K. That is up to you now. I'm not gonna say anything. So yun lang. Anyways, I'll just give you some coins, but not Bitcoin to hold on to. We're almost at 100. Hello po, good evening, Miss. Any thought for Rose? I haven't opened Rose. Let me try to open it. Do you think that plot will happen by the end of year? Possibly by the end of year. Yeah, possibly by the end of year. Nah, I guess before even, by December, like as what we're seeing in the chart in here, we might possibly see 100K by December. By December. Yeah, I'm telling you guys by December. Alright? So, hello for those who are in TikTok. Grabe, they are so quiet in TikTok. Usually, these guys are commenting a lot. But right now, people are so quiet in TikTok. What happened? Are you guys listening ba or what? Yeah? Okay. 100K loading up this week. I'm not quite sure, BC. It can happen, this week. It can happen tomorrow. It can happen 2 weeks from now. Yeah? So, I'm not quite sure with the timeline, but it will happen. We're due for that fifth wave to the upside. Okay, so now let's try to open our trades. Let me do, okay, so now on the first trade, okay, this is our, let me zoom out. Ayun. There we go. Okay, for those who are in Telegram, again guys, if you are not in Telegram, if you want to have access of the Telegram so you guys would be able to get into these trades right now, I recommend you to message me in Instagram, okay? Mayari Capital. Take a screenshot of this right now. 1355 followers. That's my only account. Message me. Okay, now for those who have messaged me in Instagram, I'll reply you guys after our lives, okay? Alright, so going back right here. So dot, let's assess dot, okay? Dot is our number one runner right now. And I'm gonna tell you guys why I'm not gonna close the dot yet, even though Bitcoin is about to hit the fifth wave. Okay? So listen up everyone. Sino dito yung mga nag-hold ng dot? Or even just like a short-term trade? Anyone? Yeah? For those, so I'm sure for those who are in YouTube, you guys will be holding, diba? Because most people who are watching on YouTube would be from the Telegram. But guys, for those who are in TikTok, I do recommend you to watch it in YouTube. Kasi kita nyo guys yung full screen talaga, oh. Yan, oh. That's what you'll be able to see. Ayun, oh. So, we have people holding that. Again, these are Telegram traders, everyone. Again, if you want to have access on this, one of the students profit for this last 7 days lang, trading with me, 226,000 pesos. Okay? So, this was just when? When was this? November 17 po. Today is November 18. This was just yesterday lang. And this was the 7-day profit. So, you guys can see right now in YouTube, we have people present, that holder. I can see you guys. That's good. Darling, me holding that. Yes, I have been telling you to hold it even before 4. Diba? I was telling you guys to buy 4. So, can you guys see this? One of the traders as well, $457. I'm talking dollars in here. Okay? $457 in one trade only. This is in our Telegram group po. Okay? So, now, let's try to open DOT. And DOT, I'm not gonna sell. Not gonna sell yet, everyone. Listen up. Why? Because that is just about to break out. And let me tell you, I'm talking big breakout coming up. So we are hitting the 0.236 right now, and we already got the rejection out of that. Back on November 12th. And currently, I'm waiting for the daily close above the 0.2 value natin, ha? So if that happens, where is this? Okay. So if that happens, everyone, I'm telling you, easily we're gonna hit this level. Oh, I'm thinking, can you guys see this multiple rejections in here? Oh? This is gonna be the major 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 support. Yes. 1, 2, 2 resistance. And what are the chances that we're gonna possibly reject in here? What's the probability? 60%, 70%, but there will be reaction, which I am looking forward to. So when that happens, I'm expecting a in between 0.382 natin and sa line na yan. So in this zone, now let me remove this so you guys can see now clearly. Etong zone po is gonna be our resistance zone. So this is a conservative type of approach right now if we look at it this way. So let me put back my Fibonacci because I'm not done yet with that. I'm telling you, because the high of that is hitting dito. Ito talaga. A to the maximum of 9 on this first run lang, ha. Now, on the fourth wave, I'll show you. 4 hour pala, 4 hour. Yeah. Right now, we are at, this is a complete what? This is just a simple complete 1, 1. And miss, ano po to? This is just a 1 of the third. Okay, you guys can catch on na sa waves. I was, discussing with the Bitcoin earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Possibly, we might have some rejection on the third right here, diba? On this zone that I plotted earlier. Yan, 6.9, diba? So, let me clear this. And if we check that, double check lang natin if it's gonna fit into, that's roughly like 1 if we do it by leveling it out. So, 1, and then, let me put that back. And maximum, maximum by the 0.618 of the higher time frame. So, dalawang level of that I'm watching closely. It can either push up, that can go crazy. It has been quiet, and it's one of the most, top performing altcoins in the market. I'm telling you. That is not like a meme coin or anything. It's a serious project. That is why I'm heavy on that. I have that in my portfolios. I have that on my bag. I have been buying that when it was like at 4, even below 4, anywhere near 4. I always buy that. So, ito yung target natin guys. So right now, I'm not gonna be taking out our dot position. We're gonna be holding that. So, um, relax lang muna. What about render? Render is a very good coin. You know, render, we're doing 55%. In mind you guys, yung render po, binigay ko lang po siya kahapon. Anyone remember? Let me try to see that. It was this one. No, not this one. Okay. Let me try to see if you guys can. No, it's not showing. But let me try to open this. Let's try to open our Telegram, also in YouTube. There you go. Okay. So now, if you guys can see, render was just given yesterday. Ayan o. November 17. Yesterday lang po. And we're now doing 50%. So, let's try to open renders, what do you call that, chart right now. What's the possible, are we expecting any rejection with render? Okay, so render, no rejection. That is so obvious that render is gonna make new all-time high in here. I'm talking new all-time high. We just broke out ito. So I gave out the signal around 7. And a 7 nandito po yun, yan, right in the middle of this range. And I know that it was gonna go up to the upside. Why? Because it's not yet done. This is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 po. Now, 5th wave of render is gonna be coming up. Coming up po tayo sa render. So, on that note, okay, listen up everyone. What's the possible rejection of render now? We're almost there. 0.6. Okay, so 8.5, I might close the render. So, with that said, I'm gonna be setting some alerts, guys. Okay, for those who are in Telegram right now, please listen up. Set your alerts near 8.5. It can be at 8.2, 8.3, or even 8 right now. Actually, we just broke the 8, diba? 8, and then it got rejected. On the lower time frame, I'll show you. This week right now. Yeah. So, it's doing the last push, everyone. So, I'm gonna be doing, one more alert by the previous high. Yeah. Okay? So, guys, for those who are in TikTok, please comment down below. Okay? If you are trading right now, I would like to know that. Anyone in here? Yes? What strategy are you using, Gio? My strategy is price action combined with, with dilute weight in my own experience. That's it. Yeah? What else? Okay. Yeah, same Michael. Anong strat yan? So, if you guys really want to learn my strategy, I recommend you to watch my live every day. You can learn a lot just by watching my live. If you want to catch on fast on that, I recommend you to go on premium. Yeah? Anyone familiar with premium? Yes? So premium, guys, it's a collection of my trading videos, explanation, understanding concepts in the market, candlestick, time frames, trend lines, confluences. And sa confluences, guys, andun po, I have a lesson on Fibonacci. As you guys saw, I used my Fibonacci a lot. And my Fibonacci never miss. It never misses. So, Fibonacci, trading management, you learn how to manage your trade, the risk management, and all of that. It's in the drive and it's in the premium. So if you want to have access on that, similar with Telegram, just message me, guys, message me in Instagram. That's the easiest way for you to contact me. So take a screenshot of this right now. Okay? So yeah, let's go. Okay, 55% on render. Okay, 53 now. Now, one more thing dito was Ren. Let me tell you something. When I entered the Ren, I was typing so quick for render and Ren. And when I saw Ren, I just entered it. And at the same time, hindi ko naman siya in-enter na walang analysis, obviously, right? I was just looking at the weekly, and if you guys will see the weekly of Ren right now, okay, I'll show you. You know, I was like, we're literally at the bottom of Ren. Can you guys see that? But then I was like, oh, this is not render. This is red. But I already entered the trade. I already shared the trade with people in the Telegram. But rest assured, guys, that the trade was it was technically, obviously, properly analyzed. You know, uh, that was funny. So I was literally thinking that I might hold this trade forever because it was a funny mistake. But can you guys see? We got the breakout. I was like on the weekly. You guys saw the weekly, right? It was literally at the bottom, and I was like, okay, on the one day, it literally just broke out. So, if you guys observe our entry with Ren, it's at 0.367. 0.367. Everyone can see that? Yes? 0.3. Oh, wait. Yun ang nagko-comment sila. Kaya pala nagtataka ako kung red ba talaga or render yung signal mo, miss. Nag-base na lang ako doon sa price. That's why, Raj. But the thing is, it was it was obviously, it was properly technically studied trade. All of the trades are properly studied trades. So I was just looking at the chart. I was like, this one looks so good. I'm like, okay. So 0.36. Can you see where's the bounce? Yeah, no. I entered. I was like overhitting. I was just looking at the trend line, overhitting the trend line. That's a really nice entry position for a buy. So, ayun, ang dali-dali na na. I put in like 800 dollars. That was 5x, like super confident. I was like literally thinking it was render. It was render. So when that happened, you know, and then lately only, I was like, but this is not the price of render. Because I was looking at my spot, the spot price was different. Okay. So I was looking at it again, and then, oh, it's different. So today I gave out render, and can you guys see? Very, very nice performance of render as well. So Ren, guys, was we can call it like not a lucky trade, but somewhat a lucky trade. Yeah. Yeah. So on that, with that said, I'm thinking to take our profit with render. Not render. Oh my goodness, but Ren, because I wanna um lay off some margins now, just in case, Bitcoin is heading to the upside. So I was literally thinking to, shall we, I want to have something that is much more manageable if anything happens, right? And you know that trend, technically wise, okay, it looks good, but fundamentals, I have not read on it. Just based on technicals, guys, we took the long. Looks so good, breakout, retest, push the upside. So let's try to open. Where is this? Oh, nice. Now we're running 2,000. Can you guys see at the bottom, right bottom corner? We're now running $2,000 profit on YouTube. There you go. Ayun. Oh, there's a lot of comments in TikTok. Sorry, just a sec, guys. Let me try to read it. Okay. Uh-huh. We're listening. Okay, that's good. Right na, ngayon lang na-load yung yung TikTok. Ma'am, pag bumaba sa Bitcoin later, pag nag-open yung babagsak din ba kasama si alts? Usually it will do. Whatever the Bitcoin will do, learn this rule, everyone. Not all altcoins. I'm not talking all altcoins. I'm talking major of the altcoins, especially yung mga walang backbone. Yan, yung spine nila is Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does a drop, expect those altcoin to do 2 times, 3 times, 5 more times more than Bitcoin when it drops. Simple as that. Sige, okay, we're getting alert. Just a sec, everyone. We're getting alert. You guys can hear that. Okay, that's Bitcoin closing 90,800, everyone. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Okay, there we go. Looks strong. Okay, so let's see. Right now, it's okay. Okay, it looks strong right now. Let's see if it can, if it can hold, diba? So far by the 15 minutes structure to candle looks so strong. Sige. So let me just double check the level that we have to pass. Yeah, as you guys can observe, I really use my Fibonacci a lot. And this, you guys can learn my Fibonacci in my Google Drive as a premium. So if you really wanna guys learn how to, to trade, I do recommend you to watch to message me in Mayari Capital Instagram, Mayari Capital. Sige. So, Bricks, Elliott Wave, ma'am. Yes, I do Elliott Wave. Okay. Psykid, SNX po ba ito? Sorry, putol kasi screen. Psykid, that's why I recommend you guys. This is right now live in YouTube for those who doesn't know, yung mga bagong pasok lang po. We are live in YouTube right now, wherein you can watch my screen, full screen po, and you can watch it again. Yan lang. So, November 18th, I recommend you to go over there. November 18th, there you go. Live crypto trading, November 18th. Okay? So, this is my YouTube, everyone. Okay? Now, how about Link, ma'am? Link is strong right now, but I'm not on it. Okay? Oh, what else? What else? How about Dodge? Okay, Dodge is there. Your Telegram group is free. Jenny, Telegram group is not free. Okay, because I spend my, my time in there. And yeah, but don't worry, it's just $50 lang po yun per year. So I'm talking 1 year access na po. If you join November 18 right now, you're gonna get expired next year November 18. And that's just for $50 lang. And I'm talking, that's like nothing. That's nothing compared to the trades where we are running like 12 positions, and out of that 12, like 8 or 9 is in profit. Yeah. Okay, Fibonacci settings, please. Everything is in Google Drive, everyone. Okay. How to join Telegram, guys? To join Telegram, just message me in Instagram. This is my Instagram, everyone. Okay? You can take screenshots right now. There you go. Yan po I only have one Instagram. I want to clear that up. Okay? And I do not message you first. Sige? So going back on the REN, okay, we're running like 56% profit. 56 profit on it. Yeah. So I might take some profits na. Let's open the REN chart. Let's see REN USDT.T. Okay, there we go. Let's see. 15 minutes, 4 hours. Let's open 4 hours. So again, you guys saw earlier sa may exchange, diba? That on the 4 hours, we get the breakout, which is really good, and we get the bounce. We rode the bounce, diba? which was a really nice, which was a really nice trade. We've managed to enter at 0.36. I'm talking 0.36. Andito po yung entry namin, no? Right around here. 0.36, right at the bounce. And now we are up like, if we're talking, it did a 22% move to the upside. So, let me move this. Yan. Sorry, sobrang laki. So you guys can see lang. Okay. 17%, and right now where we at is 14%, which is not bad. For a coin that, that was a lucky coin for us. Yeah, so looks like on the lower time frame that it is holding off. Let's see. Yeah. 30 minutes. Okay, let's try to assess Ren, huh? So far it has been like doing like this, like how the momentum is like this. So when that happens, I'm not quite sure. It looks like, yes, we're doing higher high and higher high, but let me tell you, the momentum of this is, is going low. That is why I would like to take off Ren. And if it goes back, even at 0.038 lang, I might enter again based off technicals. So, eto, miss, what about this one? What about po yan? That we ignore. Okay? And now you guys will learn a lot in the market that there will be prices or there will be movements in bull market like this. We do not count that when we do the technical analysis, because if we do, everything is gonna be all over the place for you. So, yun lang. Higher high, higher low, so on and so forth. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Yes. So, ilang signals per day Telegram nyo, ma'am? Depende. In a day, merong isa lang, merong dalawa, meron din sometimes wala. But like on November 16, I guess we have like isa. Can you guys see that? Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima. So 5 trades on November 16 I gave out. November 14, mga tatlo ata. Or like, no, apat din, November 14. But as our account is, growing, we are running 12 trades, guys. So for today, isa lang. Actually, dalawa. No. Yeah, isa lang. And yesterday was isa lang din. Okay? Yeah, that's correct, Raj. Yeah. I do send signals in premium, but they're more for learning. Again, I do not have the misconception everyone. Premium is for pure learning only. If you really want to learn, if you really want to be into this game talaga of trading, I recommend you to invest on the premium lessons. It's not that much, I'm telling you. So, Telegram name, madam, I want to join. So for Telegram, like I've said, easiest way, the only way to access that is to message me in Instagram. This is my Instagram. I recommend you to take a screenshot right now so you'll be sure na ito talaga yung account. Okay? Mayari Capital. Just find it. Alright. So let's see. Near Ren. Okay. Let's open Ren. There you go. Yeah. Okay, before we close. Okay, before we close not the live, but the trade. Okay. I recommend, can you please guys hit the like button right now? I would like to see, are you guys alive? For those who are in YouTube right now, yeah, please hit the like button. Are you guys alive? For those who are in TikTok, okay, I can see those hearts on TikTok. All right, I can see those on YouTube. Very good. So, okay, everyone are alive. Listen up. Sino dito yung may trade ng Ren? Please let me know right now, especially for those who are from Telegram. please message right now. Ren. Yeah? Mga nakapag-trade ng Ren. Okay, Mar, meron dito. Mar, right now. There you go. Hi, Mar. Who else? Yeah? So, Ren, guys, I'm gonna be securing our profits with Ren. Okay, so let's focus on Ren. Let's close other trades now. Okay? So, Ren, you know, me. Sige, we have some traders. Listen up, everyone. I myself now, I'm gonna be closing on Ren. Sige. So, we can free up some position. Ren might go more higher. Okay? But we had a really nice, run with it. We had a fun trade with it. Oh, sorry, this is render. My bad. See, nakakalito, no? If you guys will see, naka-render siya. My bad, okay? Yeah, that's good that I double check. Let's open the Ren. Okay, double checking everyone. That is Ren. Okay, double checking. Ren po. Okay? And now we're running like 53% profit. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's try to hit this market, I'm gonna do market close na lang, not limit anymore. So, are you guys ready? Yes? Let me know in the comments section right now. For those who are in YouTube, ready? Yeah? Okay. Alright. Okay. So, with that said, let's close on Ren. That's a very good 50% profit, running 52. Let's do market execution. I'm gonna do market execution, everyone. Now I'm gonna be taking profits live in front of you. And this trade, guys, this trade is from Telegram. Okay? It is from Telegram. That is why I'm asking those who are in my Telegram, who are watching right now in YouTube. Okay? That I'm gonna be closing. That is up to you guys if you're gonna close with me. Yeah, but I'm gonna be closing our Ren position now. Sige. So, yes, okay, there we go. Ras, okay. Rach, okay. So, guys, congratulations. We'll be closing on our Ren position. Let's hit market. Market close. Order submitted. Done. There we go. Okay, so let's open. It's gone now. Now Ren is gone. Let's try to open. There you go. Okay. So position history now, everyone. You guys can see we just closed Ren. We closed around $411 profits, which was half the margin price. Very good trade. And yeah, 50%. Can you imagine? Let me just like ask you guys, like real talk, real talk. I gave out Ren sa Telegram when was that? When was that? It was November 14 and today po we are November 18. So November 18 on Telegram, that's 4 days apart lang po. Let me ask you, okay? Is there any bank or institution right now that you can give your money and tell that guy, okay, you take my 1 million peso and give me 50% profit in 4 days. Let me know right now in the comment section if you have that. Okay? If you have that, I would like to, But in just 4 days, everyone. I'm not talking, I am not talking the number now. It can be, this one can be $40 only. Can you guys see? Miss, I just like traded like $100 lang. And then my profit was 50%. It was $50 lang. You don't do lang. We always talk about percentage. And the percentage of this was 50%. I'm talking, if the trade was a million peso, guys, in 4 days, that is $500,000 return. And that is literally right in front of your eyes right now. I just closed the trade. It's doable. It's real. We are trading like that. We are trading like that. So, how to join post a Telegram for those who just got in here, guys. This is my Instagram again. The only way to get into Telegram, screenshot this right now and message me, okay, whenever you want. But I can only reply you after this live. That's it. Sige, that's my Instagram, Mayari Capital. So going back on Ren again, everyone. Yeah, so our closing price is zero point 0.4. No, my closing price is 0.04099. So that's it. Huh? What else? Transaction history. So if you guys would see right here, oh, okay? Can you guys, now I'm gonna be transparent with everyone now. Okay, because I have this question, Miss. Um, is the fee high? How much is the fee? How much is the funding fee? Funding fee, you cannot even feel it. Okay, I'm talking like that. So now we just literally took position or took profit off of rent. Even if I'll calculate everything of this right now, okay? Since we did a market execution, that's the thing with the market execution, everyone. It's not like a one type of thing lang. That's why when I enter a trade, I always do limit. But right now, it doesn't even matter anymore. But the amount, can you guys see the amount? That is how much fees I am paying. Okay? And in $62 profit, I paid $0.3. In $1.6 profit, 0.008. Okay? So if we eyeball right now, you can say possibly I pay like $3 fee, $4 fee maximum. You can say let's do like Miss, you paid $10 fee. It's fine. $10 fee everyone for a $400 trade in 4 days only. I'm talking in 4 days only. That's it. Sige? So, guys, we still have 11 positions open. Let's see what other trades that I might be closing in here because I want to free up some trades. Those who are really doing good. Yung that, it's very good. We're hitting like 93%, but I'm not closing it yet. Render, on the other hand, obviously no. Um, the rest, we're still holding it. I guess that's it for this evening. Yeah, that much only. The fetch is, it's taking time. Illuvium, I was literally expecting Illuvium to have the move na as per the chart lang, if you guys can see right now. Yeah, yeah. So if you see the chart right now, dito, supposed to be we have entered Illuvium like 40. Because it was about to pump. If I'll do the chart right now like this, like Ren, diba? You guys saw how Ren moved. You know, tumaas yung Ren ng ganyan. So I was expecting the Illuvium to be doing the same thing. Like even at least like roughly like 47 at least. But it's taking time. But that's the thing. And not all coins, in crypto market is gonna pump the same at the same time. There will be times if you guys have observed DOT has been quiet for couple of months. Even one of the example as well is SNX. So SNX let me try to in here your USDT SNX everyone. I'm gonna find SNX. Looks like it was here only. Meme coins, okay, Ave. Consolidation. It's not in here. Let's see, not even in requested. Okay, so let's try to open again SNX USDT. Oh, sorry. We have dito pala sa taas. Yun. So, SNX guys, let me pull up the 4-hour chart. Diba? we just literally broke the control of SNX. So, Miss, am I late on SNX? No, you're not late, to be honest. Because for a very long time, since August till today, which is 100 days, we have been just doing what? Range po, can you see the box? And just today, we broke the control, making SNX ready to move higher now. So, yeah, like that, 100 days miss, wala po siyang move. And then out of nowhere, today lang, can you guys see this rocket ship to the upside? I'm just gonna calculate it here. That's a 20% move of SNX. Okay? 20% move of SNX in a day. So, SNX might be doing 20%, but other coins might be doing what? I'll show you. Example dito. 6%, 2%, 2%. So, not all coins can pump at the same time. Yeah? Anyway, so... Well, where were we? Okay, so we just took one of no $400 profit. Congratulations again, everyone. Again, guys, if you want to have access on the Telegram, message me in Instagram. This is my Instagram right now. One and only po. Yeah, 1355 followers. Okay, Mayari Capital. Very simple. Take a screenshot para save, and I do not message you first. Okay. If you see that there's a Mayari messaging you first, offering you anything, especially mga exchange, chuchu, yung mga, meron dito, malakas sa Telegram. Shinare na isang trader. Nilaro niya lang eh. Like, anong yari doon? Okay, let me try to find. Na, if you give like, how much was if you'll give like 25 thousand, sa taso, 35,000 daw, it will be 255,000 in just 7 days. So guys, please do not believe all of that, ha? I'm just giving you guys some awareness now. I do not message you first. Sige. So, yun lang. And, yeah. Let me see. I guess it's hitting like, okay, it's good we took profit on red. Because now I guess the market looks like it's gonna have a correction on that particular trade. And Bitcoin talaga yung pinanonood ko right now. It's very important. We literally just like broke the 90,800, but can you guys see that? We also move back down. So, which is normal lang naman, unless and until we break this previous low. Then we can say Bitcoin is gonna go, oh my goodness. Yun lang. So, I'm gonna move our alert on 91,045. Okay, on the Bitcoin index. And right here, yun lang, dalawang alerts tayo. I'm looking very closely. 89 and then 90. Because any break will be very significant. But so far, Bitcoin is on the, the probability is to the upside so far. Because higher time frame, may sapat tayong wave that we have to complete, which is the wave 5. And this looks like the wave 4 pa lang po. And at the same time, we have our, control broken right around this area. So we made a higher high. And then let's see if we can break the previous high and possibly the resistance, which is running at, let me open the 4 hours, which is the all-time high of 93,500. Okay, so that is what I'm watching right now. Sige. Okay, so I guess guys, that's it for tonight. It's getting pretty late for those who are in Philippines. I'm really happy for you guys joining me this evening. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Okay? And I'll announce guys naman in Telegram if I'm gonna do the live. Right? And if you guys have any questions, you can message me in Instagram. Okay? You guys can message me in Instagram, everyone. And yeah, don't be shy. Just message me in Instagram if you have any trading related question. Sige, Alexis, Miss Mayor, do you post signals? If yes, it is paid. Again, guys, the signals, not signals, but more of trades talaga because I don't post like entry, exit, and like that. But more of you are copying my trade. So I post my real entry at that exact time. So you guys would be able to get my entry as well or possibly lower than me. And I also put how much, you know, a percentage margin use and everything. So let me try to show you right here. There you go. So this is just an example. Again, for example, we have, okay. Yeah, so this one was last week. To. Ito yung 7-day PNL namin last week. $5,000 for me, which is like roughly like 300,000 peso, just like last week. So let's try to open. Where was the trend? Okay, just for an example. It, you know. So Ren, guys, for example, yeah. And when I exited, you guys saw I just exited it right in front of you. So you're exiting it with me. So it's not like, you know, it is not like stop loss, entry, take profit, and forget about it. Yeah. How much po para maka-join sa signals? Let me tell you, Borgie, it's just $50 a year. 1 year access na po yun just for $50. So we are talking $4 lang po per month, like 200 pesos per month. Yeah. So future yan, yes, all of my trades po are running in futures. The trades that I share in live and as well as in the, you know, in the trading group, in the Telegram group is live po. All right? So, oh my god, oh my god. I know. So, it's just $50 po in just 1 year. 1 year na po. Naka-short ka? Does it looks like I'm doing short? It would be crazy for you to short a market like this unless and until you're an experienced trader. I'm gonna tell you that right now in your face. Unless and until you're an experienced trader, I'm talking bull market, bear market. If you are trading against the market and it's your first time trading, bro, I don't want to say anything, but that's all I can say. So if you'll observe my trades on Telegram, they are very easy to follow, very easy to handle, and at the same time, wala po kaming liquidation price. So simple. We do not have liquidation price. Yeah? Alright, so I guess that's it for this evening. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. So if you want to catch on to my live, you guys can watch in YouTube as well. This is the live. For those who are late, you guys can watch the live again. Okay, you guys can watch the live again po. Just hit this November 18th. Alright? November 18th. Watch it again so you might learn. I have discussed Bitcoin, what to expect with Bitcoin, which is very important po. There's a big movement coming up with Bitcoin. So, yun lang. Watch the live again. It's short only. You can fast forward. You can rewind everything. But I do recommend you to watch today's live kasi I broke down the Bitcoin. Okay, for those who are late in YouTube as well, watch the beginning as well, okay, for the Bitcoin. Yun lang, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, have a good evening. Good night, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow.